皆さんこんにちは。Big TK Japanese です。Hello everyone, this is Big TK Japanese. Japanese culture. Today's topic is Tsuyu, summer rain season. Recently in Tokyo, Japan, there are so many rains. Today's morning is also rains here. So this is Tsuyu in Japan. So today I'll introduce the culture or words of Tsuyu meaning in this video. So let's go. Today's table of contents. At first I'll tell about this channel. Next I'll explain about Tsuyu. Then quiz time, and last today's kanji, today's Chinese character. So let's get started. At first I'll tell about this channel. If you know, please skip it. Maybe it has 30 seconds. This channel shows some Japanese culture and help you learning Japanese. I'm so happy when you get interested in Japan or Japanese culture by watching my videos. For splitting Japanese for more and more people, my recent goal is getting 500 subscribers until September in this year. If you think it is good video, please subscribe and push the good button. And I also have a Twitter account. Please follow me or send me some DM messages. So let's go next. At first, what is Tsuyu? We call the early summer rainy season Tsuyu in Japanese. Tsuyu. Repeat after me. Tsuyu. And it is a long rainy season in June and July. Recently, maybe May too. May, June, July. Like this. And the meaning of these words, this Chinese character and this Chinese character. First one, say, sound is ume, ume, ume. Meaning is palm. Plum. Meaning is plum. Ume. Japanese plum. You know, this is a little bit different from, maybe it is different from your country's plum. This is Japanese plum. I like this. Japanese plum is like this. And next one, sound is ame. Meaning is rain. Plum rain is the direct translation of these Chinese characters. Palm rain. Is a little bit strange. But why we say in this year, in this season, May, June, July, called May, June, July, rainy season called Tsuyu is the reason we say that is it is the season that plums ripen. In Japan, plums ripen in May, June, July. So we say plums ripen season, rainy season. So we say bye or we say Tsuyu. Okay, repeat after me one more time. Tsuyu. Okay, that's good. Quick time. What is the name of the season that's rainy, plums ripen season? 'So in Japan, May, June, July, it is Tsuyu season. Okay, that's good. Today's kanji is this Chinese character. Sound is ume or bai. Sometimes tsu, ume, bai, tsu, ume, bai. Meaning is plums. Can it make sense? Can you remember it? Okay, it's good. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. Please watch another video. See you in the next. Bye bye. またね